Stinky Tofu. Ingredients: 14-ounce block of firm tofu, 4 stinky fermented bean curd mashed, 2 green onions minced, ½ teaspoon red chili peppers, 2 teaspoons potato starch halve if using cornstarch, 2 teaspoons oyster sauce, 2 medium cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 teaspoon white spirit, 1 teaspoon fennel powder, 1 teaspoon vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon sugar. Instructions: mix the water, stinky fermented bean curd, and white spirit in a large sealable container. Add the tofu into the fermented bean curd water. Seal the lid and put it in the refrigerator for more than 24 hours. Take out the refrigerated soaked tofu and drain it. Heat wok with oil, and fry the soaked tofu until it becomes golden. Transfer it on a plate and set aside. Heat wok with oil, and stir fry garlic until fragrant. Add fennel powder, oyster sauce, ½ bowl of water and cooking until water boiling. Pour the soaked tofu, stir and cook for 1 minute. Sprinkle with water starch and parsley on it. Transfer it on a plate. Serve.